going to go out and gather a few more things before I need to come in and plan dinner. And here's my basket. What could she possibly put in this basket? Well, you're going to see. Well, it's that time of year again. Picking these adorable little violets. They taste good. And it takes quite a while to fill up this basket. So I don't know if I'm going to fill the whole thing up. Grab some violets and put them in a basket. Bring them in the This is not meant to be played on the ground. All right. What's a good thing to talk about violets? Yeah.
You're supposed to be singing a Violet song.
I know. What would you like me to sing about? Okay. Really? Fine. He wants me to say, gather up some violets. I'm the best color. You can pick the rest and give them to your mother. He said that. You said that, right? Yeah, I said that. Oh, anyway, gather up some violets, white and blue, yellow and mixed colors. You like that? I do. So, this is where you gotta get down and just lightly pull up, and you've got yourself that cute little flower. And I use it in different things. Last year I made a violet jelly. It was gorgeous. And I'll just keep going. And when you dry these, they turn in these teeny tiny little dried balls. But if you get them right away, then I use them in my salves or products that I make. But it's I don't know. It's kind of like a meditative experience. Sitting here for hours. Just kidding. My elephant is always happy to help. So, he's holding on to the basket for me. Okay, this is what I got for today. And I'll just kind of do something with them. I'm going to throw them on salad tonight. And I'm also going to dry some. But there's a lot more that can be picked tomorrow. They're a pretty addition to spring. That's why I have